Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Show Unplayable songs on the Spotify app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're inside the app, we're ready to begin. Step 2. Now locate the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Tap on it and it'll take you to your account page where you can manage all your settings and preferences. Step 3. Next, locate the settings and privacy option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the content and display option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this Show Unplayable Songs option is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Show Unplayable Songs option to turn it on instantly. Activate the songs that aren't available, e.g., due to artist removal or region, are still visible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.